Hi everyone. Today we are going to be looking at the question 6A of the Wassce 2010 May-June General Mathematics past question. The question says the scale of a map is 1 to 20,000. Calculate the area in square centimeters on the map of a forest reserve which covers 85 kilometers square. The question wants us to calculate what 85 kilometers square will measure on the map, knowing fully well that you have been given the scale to be 1 to 20,000 centimeters. So that means 1 centimeters on the map measures 20,000 centimeters on the ground. Okay, but the question wants you to find it in square centimeters. So the first thing you want to do here is to convert 85 kilometer square into centimeter square. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that one kilometer, okay, equals to 100,000 centimeters. Okay, 1 kilometers equal to 100,000 centimeters. Now, but we are interested in square, kilometer square. Okay, so what you can then do is, since this is 1 kilometers, to make it square, you can say 1 kilometers times another 1 kilometers. Okay, so that means since 1 kilometers equals to 100,000 centimeters and you want to do 1 kilometer times 1 kilometer, so that means I'm going to have 100,000 centimeters, right, times another 100,000 centimeters. Very good. So that means I have 1 kilometers times 1 kilometers. Since we know 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeters, so I have that here, and also another one, I have that here. Okay, so that means eventually that's going to give you 1 kilometers times 1 kilometers. That's going to give you 1 kilometer square, which is also equal to 100,000 centimeters times 100,000 centimeters. That is going to give us 10 billion centimeter square. Very good, very good. We are getting somewhere right now. So right now you have been able to convert to know what 1 kilometer square is. 1 kilometer square equals to 10 billion centimeter square. Okay, but take note that the first thing we are trying to do is to convert 85 kilometer square. We want to convert it to centimeter square. Okay, since we already know what 1 kilometer square is. Okay, so now let us convert 85 kilometers. So since 1 kilometer square equals to 10 billion centimeter square, so therefore 85 kilometer square will then give you what? So all you have to do is, when you have something like this, all you have to do now is to divide, is to multiply. So you cross multiply this times this divided by 1. This times this, when you cross it, then divided by 1. So that means 85 kilometers square is going to give me 85 times 10 billion, right? So that's going to give me 850. It's going to give me 850 billion centimeter square. Very good, very good. So now what I've been able to do right here is to convert 85 kilometer square into centimeter square, which is what I've done, 850 billion centimeter square. Okay, very good, guys, very good. But now let us go back to the question again. It says that the scale of a map is 1 to 20,000. So this means 1 centimeters on the map equals to 20,000 on the ground. If you take the question, says calculate the area in centimeter square. That's how we got to know that this is in centimeters. Okay, so now let us interpret this out now. What it means is that 20,000 centimeters on ground, okay, equals to 1 centimeters on map. Okay, that is what this scale means. That is what this scale means. Okay, 20,000 centimeters on the ground is represented by 1 centimeters on your map. Okay, that is what that scale means. Okay, let's move on. 20,000 centimeters on ground equals to 1 centimeter on map. But take note that the question wants us to have our answer in centimeter square. So that means let us calculate how many centimeters square on ground is equivalent to centimeter square on the map, right? Now, because we want to do area, we will multiply this twice. So that is going to be 20,000 times 20,000. Okay, so I will say 20,000 centimeters times 20,000 centimeters on ground. Trying to take it easy with you guys here. Equals to, now on the map, 1 centimeters times 1 centimeters, because area is going to be L squared, length times length, or you say length times breadth, depending on the shape you are looking at, right? So it's going to be 2L squared. So on map now, okay, 1 centimeters times 1 centimeters on map. Okay, so in this case now, 20,000 centimeters times 20,000 centimeters is going to give us what? That's going to give us 400 million, okay, centimeter squared. So that means 400 million centimeter square on ground is now equal to 1 centimeters times 1 centimeters, 1 centimeter square now on the map. Okay, so that means that this scale that we have that says 20 centimeters, 20,000 centimeters on the ground is equals to 1 centimeters on the map, can be translated to 400 million centimeters square to 1 centimeter square, which is what we just got right here. So this is our new scale in centimeter square. Okay, that's our new scale in centimeter square. Okay, now but the question asks us that what is the area in square centimeters on the map of a forest reserve which covers 85 kilometers square. Remember, we have been able to convert 85 kilometer square into centimeter square, okay, which is 850 billion centimeter square, right? Which is 850 billion centimeter square. So now we can come back here and do this. Since we know that 400 million centimeter square on ground equals to 1 centimeter square on map. Therefore, we can say that 850, right, billion, 850 billion centimeter square on ground will be equals to what on the map? Take note, this is what we are using right now. 400 million centimeter square on ground, we said it is equal to 1 centimeter square on the map. Okay, now if that is the case, what about 850 billion centimeter square on ground? What is it going to be in centimeter square on the map? All you have to do now is to cross multiply and then divide by this. So this, because you are looking for whatever we are going to have here, right? So in that case, it's going to be, this times 1 divided by 400 million. Okay, so in that case, I'm going to have 850 billion times 1 is going to be 850 billion, right? So I'm going to have 850 okay, divide times 1 is going to give you the same thing, right? Divided by 400 million, okay, 400 million, okay, and this side is going to be centimeter square. Okay, so pretty much everything we are doing right here is just conversions. You are just converting from one unit to the other. So this is where your knowledge of conversion of units is very important. Okay, so if you divide this 850 billion divided by 400 million, that is going to give you 2125 centimeter squared. Okay, so that means that 850 billion centimeter square on ground level measures 2112 centimeter square on the map. That is your final answer. Again, what the question is trying to say is this, that you should tell us what 85 kilometer square on the ground is going to measure in centimeter square on the map. Okay, the first thing we did was to convert this to centimeter square, which we did. We got 850 billion centimeter squared. Okay, now this scale means 20,000 centimeters on the ground measures 1 centimeter on the map. So what we needed to do was to convert this also to centimeter square, which we did, and we said that 400 million centimeter square on ground will give us 1 centimeter square on map. In that case, what is 850 billion centimeter square going to give us? It's going to give you 850 billion times 1 divided by 400 million. Okay, and then our final answer is 2125 centimeters square, okay, on the map. How did we get that? All you have to do is to do this division right here. Okay, all right guys, I hope you understand the solution of this problem set. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing, where we are going to be giving you more examples and even more problem set and solutions to mathematics problems. And also click on the bell to turn on your notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. All right, see you in the next class, where we'll be looking at the question 6b of this same question. Bye.